Did you know that some English words have two different meanings? This can sometimes be a little difficult for English learners because the same word can mean different things. In this video, we'll look at 50 words with more than one meaning and find out what each one means. Here's the first one. An arm is a part of the body.
To arm means to give someone weapons.
Bark is the sound a dog makes.
Bark is the outer layer of a tree.
A bat is a small flying animal.
A bat is a piece of equipment used in baseball.
A book is something to read.
To book means to reserve something, like a room or table.
A box is a container for storing things.
To box is to fight wearing boxing gloves.
Can is used to express ability.
A can is a metal container.
A crane is a large bird.
A crane is a machine for lifting.
A date is a romantic meeting.
A date is a sweet brown fruit.
A duck is a water bird.
To duck is to quickly lower your head.
Even is used for emphasis.
Even is a number divisible by 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8.
Fair means treating people in an equal and honest way.
A fair is an outdoor event with games and rides.
A fan is a person who likes someone or something.
A fan is a device that moves air to cool you.
A file is a collection of documents.
A file is a tool used to shape and smooth nails.
Fine means very good.
A fine is money you must pay as punishment.
A fly is a small insect.
To fly is to move through air.
Iron is a hard gray metal.
To iron is to smooth clothes with heat.
A key is a tool to open a door.
A key is a button on a keyboard.
Kind means friendly and helpful.
A kind is a type or category.
Leaves are the green parts of a plant.
To leave means to go away from a place.
Left is the opposite of right.
Left is the past tense of leave.
Light is brightness that helps you see.
Light means not heavy in weight.
Long means having great length.
To long is to want something very much.
A match is a small stick used to make fire.
A match is a sports game.
To mean is to have a particular meaning.
Mean means not kind or generous.
A mole is an animal that lives underground.
A mole is a dark spot on the skin.
A nail is the hard part at the end of a finger.
A nail is a small metal pin used in building.
A park is a green public area for relaxation.
To park is to leave a car in a place for a time.
A pen is a tool for writing.
A pen is a small enclosure for animals.
A plant is a living thing that grows in soil.
A plant is a factory where things are made.
A point is the main idea of something.
To point is to show something with a finger.
Right is the opposite of left.
Right means correct or true.
A ring is a piece of jewelry worn on a finger.
To ring is to make a phone call.
A rock is a hard natural stone.
Rock is a type of loud popular music.
A row is a line of things.
To row is to move a boat using oars.
A scale is a device for weighing things.
A scale is one of the small plates on a fish's skin.
A seal is a large sea animal.
A seal is an official stamp or mark.
A second is a short unit of time.
Second is the one that comes after the first.
Sharp means having a thin edge for cutting.
Sharp means exactly at a stated time.
A sink is a bowl in a kitchen used for washing.
To sink is to go underwater.
Sound is something you hear.
Sound is used to describe deep sleep.
Space is the area beyond the Earth's atmosphere.
A space is an empty area.
Spring is the season between winter and summer.
A spring is a metal coil.
A stalk is the stem of a plant.
To stalk is to secretly follow someone.
A trip is a journey to a place.
To trip is to fall after hitting something with your foot.
A trunk is the storage space in a car.
A trunk is the long nose of an elephant.
A watch is a small clock worn on the wrist.
To watch is to look at something.
A wave is a raised line of water in the sea.
To wave is to move your hand to say hello or goodbye.
Well means in a good way.
A well is a deep hole for water.
A letter is a symbol used in writing.
A letter is a message on paper.
A train is a vehicle on rails.
To train is to practice a skill.
That's all for today. Try to notice these words when you watch or read in English. See you in the next video.